Saramonic XR XM1, a TRS to TRS adapter, an Apple 3.5 millimeter adapter, plugging in, hitting the shutter button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At any given time, we'll see where the sound has started, clipped. The next test would be is to remove the battery, allow it to reset, and do again the shutter button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 6 seconds, you'll see that it will be recording. The last test would be to turn on the camera and then hit the record button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we can do another test, which would be a wireless mic system. And we could do another test that can be a USB wireless C system. You'll decide which mic or mics may work for you.